Welcome, everyone. I'm very excited to see you all here today. It's not just a recycling initiative. It's an engine for job creation, innovation, and supply chain resilience.
As a state, we can recycle to our heart's content, but unless we develop a plan for that recycled material, we are only addressing one part of the equation.
I can tell you that the innovations you're presenting today are something that we need to sustain our greatest resources, which is our land, our air, and our water for generations to come.
This is our moment. No one is coming. Let's not wait for the future, but let's build it together.
So meet Penny Pickup, an app where you can hail an electric or micromobility solution to pick up materials that you'd like to get rid of and know that they'll be handled in a sustainable way.
We propose that we will be reusing the solar panels so that they can have another 15 plus years of useful life.
We, as a company, can partner with cities to take that glass scrap off their hands. We then crush that glass into a sand and then use that sand to 3D print engineered stone using a patent-pending process that we've developed.
Our simple process uses inexpensive feedstocks and is extremely effective at removing PFAS from water.
We intend to start recycling large steel drums into aerated rotary compost systems and bring down that initial capital cost.
Come On Betty is an artisanal canning company that produces handmade, small batch, shelf-stable condiments from fresh, surplus produce. They are now available. Woo!
Thank you, NextCycle, for your immersive studies in helping us get our numbers together, learn what we've done, and I appreciate each and every one of you for having us in the room.
The most exciting thing for me is I am watching this evolution of the ecosystem. We have small teams that are just starting and teams that are ready to get huge investments, and they're attracting investment from around the country.
It's really exciting to see this grow, and I'm proud of all of us for the work we're doing. Can I have all the teams stand up, please? I have $5,000 for each of your teams to take it to the next level, and as a reward for your hard work and your dedication to improving Michigan.
187 teams have been through NextCycle Michigan. There is a real need to incubate and grow and accelerate the circular economy, and there's interest and there's good ideas. Thank you so much, everyone, for your participation. Great work.